27 barangay sa Cotabato City ang nasa ilalim ngayon ng yellow category at 10 ang nasa orange category base sa categorization and validation ng election areas of concern. Wala namang naitalang election-related crime incidents sa lungsod simula Enero ngayong taon ayon sa CCPO. Ang detalye mula kay Joelyn De La Cruz.
Base sa categorization and validation ng Election Areas of Concern o EACs ng ibinahagi ng Cotabato City PNP, sa kasalukuyan mula sa 37 barangays ng Cotabato City nasa yellow category ang 27 barangay o areas with security concern. Ito ay kinabibilangan ng Mother Barangay Poblacion, Poblacion 1, Poblacion 2, Poblacion 3, Poblacion 4, Poblacion 7, Poblacion 8 at Poblacion 9. Mother Barangay Rosar Heights, Rosar Heights 1, Rosar Heights 2, Rosar Heights 3, Rosar Heights 4, Rosar Heights 5, Rosar Heights 6, Rosar Heights 7, Rosar Heights 8 at Rosar Heights 9. Mother Barangay Tamuntaka, Tamuntaka 1, Tamuntaka 2, Tamuntaka 3, Tamuntaka 4 at Tamuntaka 5. Mother Barangay Bagwa, Bagwa 1 at Bagwa 2. Habang 10 naman ang nasa orange category o areas with immediate security concern. Ito ay kinabibilangan ng Bagwa 3, Poblacion 5, Poblacion 6, Rosar Heights 10, Rosar Heights 11, Rosar Heights 12 at Rosar Heights 13. Mother Barangay Kalanganan 1 at Kalanganan 2.
Hopefully, no red category will be validated or categorized in the Cotabato City. And this is based on the historical data as well as the present situation of Cotabato City.
Samantala, wala namang naiulat na election-related crime incident sa lungsod simula Enero ngayong taon ayon sa CCPO.
Preparation of election, monitoring of election-related incidents. Secure po tayo, wala tayo. Hopefully, walang election-related incidents from January 12 to date. As far as our executive is concerned.